Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F21 error code and you're wondering what's this error code and what can you do to get rid of it. And if you have this error code, you might also notice that inside the drum is full of water. And that is because the F21 error code is a drain error. So basically when it's time for the machine to drain, it goes into its drain cycle. It gives itself a certain amount of time. If after that time is up, it hasn't drained, then it will abandon the cycle and it will give you this error. So there's kind of two things you need to check to figure out why it's not draining. The first thing to check, the easiest thing to deal with, and the number one culprit probably, is going to be your drain hose. So if you just come in behind, you got a drain hose that goes, this one here, you can see it, it goes into the drain. You want to just check and make sure that hose, everything is hunky-dory with it. It's not pinched, it's not bent, it's not kinked or anything like that. That would prevent water flowing through it. You want to, where it goes into the drain, it should be in there snugly, but it shouldn't be in there, it shouldn't be sealed. Air needs to be able to get through. It shouldn't be too far down in the hole. And you should not be using any kind of extensions on this drain hose, especially if the drain is too high above the washing machine. The pump can only pump so high. So if the drain is too high, it won't be able to pump properly and you'll get this error. And the second thing, if that's not it, is the drain pump itself. Now, depending on your model, the drain pump will be a little bit different, but it's going to be down at the bottom. And if I open this, I'm not going to do it because water will come out. There's water in there. But there's a drain pump, and you'll see there's like a turbine that spins. So all you need to do is just open that up and look in there and see if you see anything physically blocking that from turning. Like sometimes a button can come off a shirt, get sucked into there, end up blocking that pump, and then it won't drain properly. So anyways, if you do all those things, you should be able to get your washer draining again and get rid of this error. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.